This man gets hit by a massive tornado and films the whole thing, but you'll never guess why. These storm chasers were out chasing tornadoes, but they had a trick up their sleeve. They are chasing in a vehicle that is designed to take direct hits from tornadoes. But even with a special vehicle, nothing can prepare for what happens next. As they wait for the approaching tornado, we see the winds pick up and the sky get darker and darker. We see extreme winds, but the tornado hasn't even reached them yet. And just when you think it can't get any worse, we see what it's really like to be inside of a monster tornado.